Good evening, and this is my topic, the positive influence of Mobile Legends on children. Introduction. Purpose: explore the potential benefits of Mobile Legends for children. Focus areas: ang ginapokusan, cognitive development and social skills, emotion, and well-being. Development of cognitive skills, strategic thinking, planning game moves, adapting strategies. Dapat kabalo ka magplano kag mag-adapt sang isa ka strategies para magampang. Number 2, problem solving, handling challenges in real time during the gameplay. Example, challenge nga sa pagampang mo, gitagaan ka sang bakod nga kontra. So ma-challenge ka kag magamit mo gid ang imo nga pag-solve sang problem para magdaog ka mo. Number 3, decision making skills, choosing the best move quickly. Improving focus and attention, concentration on detail, monitoring health bars, abilities, and positioning. Extend focus periods, staying engaged over extend gameplay sessions. Memory enhancement, remembering hero abilities, enemy strength, and strategies. So, concentration on details, kabalo ka dapat maglantaw sa health bars, abilities, kag ang imo positioning. Extend focus periods, nga nag-stay engaged ka over extend gameplay sessions. Number 3, position enhancement, remembering hero abilities, enemy strength, and strategies. Dapat ibaloon mo kung anong imo mga abilities ang isa ka hero, kag ability man sang imo kontra para ma-counter mo ang ilang mga napik nga hero. Multitasking abilities, managing multiple elements, focusing on objectives, team status, and enemy positions. Resource management elements, balancing in games resources like health and energy. Split second decision, reacting promptly to changing scenarios. Building emotional resilience, handling loss, learning to accept defeat and work towards improvement. Sportsmanship, practicing fair play and respect for opponents. Self-esteem and confidence, boosted by achievements and recognition. Handling loss, amo ni siya nga kabalo ka mag-accept sang imo kaperdihan kag magampang pagid para mag-improve. Sportsmanship, amo ni dapat kabalo ka maghampang nga fair play kag di ginarespeto mo gid ang imo nga kontra or opod. Ang self-esteem and confidence, dapat nagaboost imo confidence by sa imo mga na-achieve sa pagampang. Stress relief and emotional expressions, safe outlet for emotions, channeling frustration or excitement through gaming. Relaxation and enjoyment, providing a fun escape and mental break. Boosting mood, enjoyable interaction and scene of accomplish. Amo ni siya ngampang maka-relax ka kag maka-enjoy. Developing digital literacy and tech skills. Basic tech navigation, familiarity with menu settings and game controls, digital interactions, practicing safe online communication, adaptability to technology, learning new skills that can transfer to another digital platforms. Basic tech navigation, amo ni siya dapat gina-familiarity naton ang menus, settings, and game controls sa hampang para mas aulot pag hindi na kita mabudlayan. Digital interactions, practicing safe online communication. Healthy competitive spirit, goal setting, encouraging children to set and work towards in-game objectives, learning from losses, understanding that failure is not a step to success, reward of improvement, motivation to practice and excel. Goal settings, amo ni siya nga gina-encourage gid ang isa ka children nga mag-set sang isa ka obra sa game objectives. Learning from losses, amo ini nga gina-intindi ta ang perdita kun maperde kag amo ini ang kaperdihan naton mga makalabot kita sa aton successful sa pagampang nga pagdaog. Reward of improvement, motivation to practice and excel. encouraging creativity and strategy building, tactical thinking, planning, innovation, ways to approach each match, creative problem solving, adapting strategies for different opponents, hero customization, creating unique styles for avatars, development, creativity, future skills for the sports industry, interest in gaming careers, exposure to the world of esports, foundational skills for gaming careers, strategy, teamwork, and resilience, analytical thinking, assessing gameplay performance, improving based on data. The summary of benefits. Amo ni siya summary sang mga benepisyo nga makuha naton sa pagampang sang Mobile Legends. So, skills development, teamwork, emotional growth, and responsible gaming. So, maka-develop kita sa aton skills sa pagampang, tuon kita sang teamwork nga ginatawag kag emotional growth and responsible gaming. So, balanced playtime. Amo ni siya reinforcing the importance of moderation and supervision. Amo ni siya nga ang makapa dapat kinanglan naton sang guidance with the right guidance. Ang Mobile Legends amo ni siya nga pamaagi para sa aton pag-growth sa pagampang. Thank you.